Amber here, and I'd just like to give you a quick tour of g.v, which is an IDE developed for Virtuoso. So connecting to your graph database in g.v is pretty simple. You just need to tell it where your graph is and give it any credentials, and you'll be connected straight away. Once you're connected, if I run a sample query, you'll see that it opens in this graph visualization view, and here the nodes and edges are detected from your Sparkle query results, and any literals that it finds will be interpreted as properties. To improve readability, gdotv also has IRI shortening and prefix handling, and you can also customize your graph further by using inferred schema from the graph, for example, to set your labels. So let's hop on over to the Sparkle query editor and try something a bit more complex. And as I'm typing, you'll see that I get autocomplete suggestions and built-in documentation over here on the right. Another cool feature on the right here is that g.v contains guardrails for Sparkle. So obviously RDF is schema optional, but what g.v will do is give you a warning if it detects any ontology clashes. So for example here, I have deliberately misspelled one of these predicates. g.v will detect that something seems to be wrong, it will give me warnings, and those warnings disappear when I correct the typo. So another thing you can do is you can also customize this query and set it as a report to run later. So if you give it customizable parameters, g.v will detect that that's what you're doing and let you substitute in values later. That will be saved over here on the left. And then while we're here, we can also take a look at the data model, which is a great little top-down view of your schema, which is inferred from the RDFS and OWL statements within your triple store. So this has just been a very quick tour of using g.v with Virtuoso. If you'd like to learn more, you can download and install our free trial on the website, or you can also check out our Virtuoso page on the website to learn more. Thanks.